How to have light theme on your Instagram account. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. The first step is going to Instagram, then opening it. After this, when your Instagram it's open, and you go down and open your profile, then go up at the top of the screen, click on this three line, then go to settings, and then guys go to theme, click, and then you will here have a light uh, theme by clicking here on light like that, and that's it. And that's it guys, I hope this video is useful and helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.